Hello, this is D.A.Damson, and today I am going to do a super fast tutorial of painting a feather, and the traceable will be available on my Facebook page and it will be in the links below. But pretty much this is going to be wet on wet, and we are going to use very few colors. This feather will be yellowish orange, and I'm leaving the center light, so the center did not get any water. And there is the colors that I'm going to be using plus blue. So the blue is going to be my shadow, and if you see what I'm doing is I'm just adding an outline and I'm breaking that shape to make it a little bit more kind of like a scruffy looking feather versus a perfect feather, and emphasizing on the lines coming from the center going out in 45 degrees upwards towards the top of the feather, and going again with a little bit of a darker blue to emphasize on the lines. When you do that, make sure your orange is dry, because when you start mixing orange and blue, you're going to get some green in there. Unless you want that, then just make sure your colors are dry when you're applying your blues. And adding a shadow just to make it more interesting, nothing else, because otherwise it just seems too flat. And pretty much that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy painting. Thanks for watching.